Beautiful makeup does not have to be expensive, and I'm going to prove it to you. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here. If we've not met yet, I am your budget beauty bestie. Today, I have 5 of my very favorite drugstore makeup products, all of them under $10. My first under $10 drugstore favorite is a brow glue. I love a brow glue, and if you watch this video here, I did an entire video on filling in your brows and getting your brows to stay in place. If you're over 50 like I am, not only do my brows need to be filled in a little, but they're kind of like unruly. Like they're pointing in all kinds of different directions. This NYX brow glue is fantastic, and I just buy the clear because I like to apply it before foundation. I work my foundation around it. Once it dries, then I go in and I fill it in with my favorite brow pen. But watch that video. I will also link it down in the description. If you need more tips and ideas for your mature brows, I think you'll find that video super helpful. This really keeps the brows in place all day long. Like I said, mine are just pointing in all kinds of different directions. But turn it over and press it down. After you apply the brow glue, pressing it down is the secret sauce, I'm telling you. Foundation is on. My next 2 favorites, both under $10, are both from Catrice. The first one is their Under Eye Brightener. Super hydrating, but what this does is it acts as a color corrector to correct the redness, the dark circles underneath your eyes. If you're not new here, you've heard me say this 100 times. If you're over 40, but especially if you're over 50, if you're over 60 and you've said, I just cannot find a concealer that works for me anymore, it's probably not your concealer. You probably need a color corrector or an eye brightener. This just goes in and does all of the heavy lifting before you apply concealer, and you'll use half as much concealer. This goes in and just cancels out all of the redness, all of the dark circles. I am fairly light complected, so I use their lightest shade. Let's see. And it's called Light Rose. I think they also have either 1 or 2 other shades. If you're more light complected, try a pinkier color. If you're more medium to deep, then you want a color corrector that's a little bit more peach. And again, it just cancels everything out. You will literally use half as much concealer. You will thank me later. This is so good. So I'm going to apply that. Then I'm going to apply my very favorite concealer. I've tried a ton of concealers and I always go back to this one. This one runs about $7 or $8. You can find Catrice on Amazon, but I do have a discount code on the Catrice website and you save like 15%. So $6 and $7 or $8 and you still save 15%. Worth the time. This is their True Skin High Cover Concealer. It has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to also help hydrate and plump the under eye, and it's waterproof. As I'm getting older, most of my redness and darkness is above my eyes. So rather than using an eye primer or anything like that, I've been putting the bulk of my color corrector above my eyes and just in the inner corner, and then using the concealer more on the inner corner and just on the outside of my eyes. These are both so good. And for about $15 for both of them, you cannot go wrong. I love these so much. Again, in the eye brightener, I'm using Light Rose. And in the True Skin High Cover Concealer, I am using the color 002 Neutral Ivory. All right, my next pick is an eyeliner. And I had to dig out all the colors that I have. I have 4 colors. I usually play it pretty safe when it comes to eyeliner, but we're going to do a fun color today. My safe colors and this is the Essence Stay and Play Gel Eyeliner. I love this. This is waterproof and long lasting. Says it's waterproof, but it does wash off with soap and water. I don't use an eye makeup remover. I am using the color But First Espresso, so it's a dark brown. Stardust Love. It's a gray with just a hint of sparkle. If you're a little bit more safe, like I am, it's a great color. I also use Mystic Blue, and this is a medium shade of blue, almost leaning towards a blue gray. Today, we're using Emerald Dragon, and this is a medium green. These are so good. And if you're enjoying this so far and you want super simple makeup tips for our mature skin, I hope that you'll subscribe, you'll hit the bell notification so you know when new videos come out, and come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I share a ton more over there. Since this is not a super bright, super deep color, I tried it on my brush and it didn't go on as well. And I just went ahead and did it a little bit with the actual pencil directly. And I like the way it turned out. They last all day and they're just beautiful. My last super budget friendly makeup item that I buy over and over and over again is the NYX lip pencil. They last such a long time. My favorite color is nude beige. I tend to wear this if I wear something a little bit more brown. I tend to wear this even if I wear something a little bit more pink. And today I am wearing it with the Milani Keep It Full Glossy Lip Balm. And this color is called Ribbon. This is a great combination. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you see that looking beautiful doesn't have to cost a fortune. I will link everything that I've used down in the description below. I appreciate you being here so much. If you like budget-friendly beauty, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.